Alright, quick aquaponics update. You can see we have some peas going here and some radishes, more peas, and you can see another one coming out here. More peas and radishes, bean plant, that's spinach, have some cilantro, and still have some tomatoes. You can see more tomatoes. Okay, the grape wine. Alright, I'm using these CFLs to add light. Okay, so we have beans, peas, another pea, we have mint, we have lettuce, we have green onions, tomatoes, alright, more tomatoes,